In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove phone number on Steam account. If the number that you added on Steam is an old number or is the number that you don't use currently and you want to remove that account, then in this video, I'm going to show you the exact process that you can do this. Firstly, you need to head over to the website of Steam, or if you have a desktop app, you can open that up. The website is called store.steampowered.com. You can enter this URL. And from here, you can log into your Steam account. After you've been logged in, you can click on this arrow and head over to account details. Now, if you scroll down under contact info, you'll see manage your phone number. Click on this. Here you'll have the option to also change your number. So if you want to change your number, you can click on change number. But if you want to completely remove this number from this account, you can click on remove number. Here you will have two options. You can choose to text the verification code, or if you don't have this number, you can click on the second option. If you do this, an email will be sent to your email address. But if you have the number, you can click on the first option here. Choose your preferred method. Now enter the verification code sent to your mobile number or your email address. Enter the code and click on continue. Here again, click on remove my phone number. And as you can see, the phone number has been removed as it is showing add phone number. If you have another number, you can always enter it in here. So that was the process on how to remove phone number on Steam account.